G'day guys, come and have a look at one of our American muscle cars here. It's a Ford Mustang 351 Boss, 71 model. Mate, what a beautiful car. The colour of this car is amazing. It's a bright red exterior and the inside has been finished off in the red as well with all the black trim. Really iconic for a muscle car. Well, this is the 351 Boss motor with ram air. The vents are in the front. It circulates through underneath and comes down into the top of the motor. And mate, this thing really gets going. Come down and have a look at one of our pride and joys. Well worth seeing in the flesh. See you down here soon.